everyone! So canceling orders is always a delicate thing to do. So in this video, I will go over how to handle and cancel orders correctly. Let's go! This one is the most important issue in eBay customer service that is not talked about much. I have seen dozens of new sellers incorrectly canceling their orders for any reason. When you do this, it is basically a death sentence to your store. So, how to cancel orders correctly? First, we want to do everything we can not to cancel the order. Here is one of the examples I use when I have an item that is out of stock, that's sold, and I can't fulfill it. It goes something like this. Hi, buyer name, how are you? Thank you for your purchase. I'm sorry to let you know, but your order was processed. We found a defect in the purchased product, and we don't want to send you a defect item. I'm now thinking how to compensate you. What do you think? Do you prefer to cancel the order? Or I also sell other versions of this doll with a much cheaper price, and I'll give you a refund for the difference. Please let me know what you prefer. Sincerely, my name, Vice President, Customer Service, so on. If you can't work it out with your customer and you still need to cancel the order, you must make sure you do not cancel the order for item being out of stock. I repeat, do not cancel the order for item being out of stock. If you do so, you will get a defect, and this will have a massive effect on your store performance. What you need to do is cancel by buyer's request. In fact, let me show you how to cancel an order correctly. Let's actually jump into my screen. All right, so how to cancel orders the right way. The first thing you're gonna go to is the orders, and you're gonna go to the order that you actually want to cancel. So let's take the second order. For example, you can go ahead and click on the little arrow drop down here. And in this drop down, you will see all of the options that you have. Here we are going to select cancel order. And then you're going to go ahead in this drop down and select the reason for your cancellation. So you have the option to select out of stock, or damaged, buyer asked to cancel, or issue with buyer's shipping address. We are never going to select anything but buyer asked to cancel. That is the only thing we are ever going to click when canceling an order. The reason we don't select these other options here is because eBay requests proof of these other options, and as dropshippers, you usually don't have it. So please don't select anything else besides buyer asked to cancel. This way you will avoid eBay giving you any defect on your account. Once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and click submit, and that's pretty much it. So, remember what I said. Take it into consideration when receiving a message from your customer. Always go with the customer is always right. That's it for this video. Have a good one, guys, and I will see you next time.